In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find M&T Bank mobile branches and ATMs near you step by step. So if you're ready to make banking more convenient, let's get started. First, open up your web browser and navigate to the website www.mtb.com/personal. This is the official M&T Bank website where you can find a plethora of information about their services. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the home page. You'll notice a clean and user-friendly layout, which makes navigation straightforward. Now you're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Here, under the Contact Us section, you'll see a link marked Locations and ATMs. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to a page specifically dedicated to helping you find the nearest branches and ATMs to accommodate all your banking needs. Once on this page, you have several search options to pinpoint exactly what you're looking for. You can search by city and state, or simply enter your zip code for a more precise search. If you're in need of specific services, you can apply filters to refine your search. Perhaps you're looking exclusively for branch locations or maybe just ATMs. Either way, the options are there for you. Additionally, you can select your preferred language if English isn't your first choice. This ensures that everyone can have access to complete and comprehensive information in a language that's comfortable for them. An exciting feature you'll find useful is their locator tool. This tool empowers you to find a branch with ease, making it an excellent resource, especially if you're new to an area or traveling. By enabling it, you allow the website to use your device's location services to provide you with the most accurate and immediate results possible. Don't worry, this is secure and you can easily turn this option on or off at your discretion. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've unlocked access to a world of banking convenience. Now you can easily find the nearest M&T Bank branches and ATMs to make your financial transactions as smooth as possible. Remember to bookmark this page or save it for future reference, ensuring you have quick and easy access whenever you need it. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy banking!